Hi students, in this video we'll discuss about total probability and see the definition of the total probability and what is the equation. So here an event A is taken and its corresponding probability is taken as probability of A in the sample space S. And the event probability is expressed in terms of already given events, that is simply in terms of conditional probabilities. So for this purpose, we have n number of mutual exclusive events Bn and Bu intersection of Bn. This is not even union, this is intersection. So try to modify this please. So Bm intersection Bn is equal to pi for m not equal to n. And similarly, union of n is equal to 1 to n, Bn is equal to s. And now, if you take the figure, representation of the total probability, I am taking different. This is total sample space S. So here I have B1 event and B2 event and B3 event, B4 event. Similarly, I have Bn. Okay. And among all this, I am defining one event A, event A, and the event A is taken like this. So this is event A. So event A. So this is taken as A intersection Bn, or this location. Just we will change the location. So from this A intersection Bn. So this is the part. So for all these conditions, we need to take probability of A. So already in the sample space we have n number of events. In this situation, the probability of event A is taken as sigma n is equal to 1 to n probability of A divided by Bn into probability of Bn. So let us prove this final equation. So already you have the condition. So this is the basic condition. Already we know. So what is that? A intersection S sample space is equal to A only. And for this I am taking two conditions here. This is as equation number 1 and this is as equation number 2. Okay. And now A intersection S is equal to A. Okay. And we have already condition A intersection S is equal to A intersection. Already from the statement, we have S is equal to union of n is equal to 1 to n Bn. Okay. And this is from equation 2. This is from equation 2. And you can write this as union of n is equal to 1 to n A intersection Bn. This is based on distributive law. Using distributive law. And already you have taken that all the events A to Bn mutual exclusive. So finally, I'm taking that probability of A is equal to probability of A intersection S is equal to probability of union of n is equal to 1 to n A intersection Bn. Okay. So as per exam 3, this is probability of union is written as sigma n is equal to 1 to n probability of A intersection Bn using from exam 3 condition. Okay. And now I can write this as probability of sigma n is equal to 1 to n probability of A divided by Bn probability of Bn. How can you write? So if you take probability of A by Bn, Then what is the conditional probability equation? A intersection Bn divided by probability of Bn. But what you require this term only. So if you multiply probability of A by Bn into probability of Bn, then you can get probability of A Bn. So I can replace this here. So finally, the total probability of A for all the given events is given as sigma n is equal to 1 to n probability of A by Bn probability of Bn. Okay, this is the total equation for the total probability. Thank you for watching.